Hello, friends. We are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today we present to you the best hairstyles of the year. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all fashion news. Updo hairstyles automatically make you look so much more elegant. Needless to say, they are super comfortable, help you look effortlessly chic, and in many cases, you can do the beautiful updos you see in the pictures yourself. We put together 35 ways to wear your updo so that you look fabulous at any event. Check out formal and everyday updo ideas below. Low updo with braids. Go for a braided updo if you are looking for a romantic, yet elegant feel to add to your everyday look. Chignon updo hairstyle for long hair. Make your beautiful brown locks stand out with a sophisticated twisted low bun. Relaxed waves updo for shoulder-length hair. If you are going to a fancy event and you don't have time for a hairdresser, tease your curled hair and pull it back into a cute low bun. You're good. Curly hair updo for formal events. Mix and match chunky braids with delicate waves, and don't worry about getting messy. Make the hairdo super voluminous. Inverted low bun updo. When you need to look professional in little to no time, this style is the one to go for. Just twist 3 sections of your hair and bring them together. Tuck the ends and secure with pins and some hairspray. Deconstructed curly bun for weddings. Feeling like Disney princess has never been as easy as with a cute updo like this. Sexy volume and romantic tousled strands. What else could you wish for? Messy bun updo. Master the art of the perfect loose updo, and we promise you will conquer both the runaway and the workroom in the blink of an eye. Classic bouffant low bun. The timeless hairdo that you can easily do at home and leave the house looking fabulous. Tease your hair and wrap it into a low bun. Medium length updo for special occasions. Another take on a beautiful messy curly bun. For more dimension, instead of spraying all over with a texture spray, do each section separately. Short updos for blondes. The assumption that you need long hair for a great simple updo is not quite true. Style your blonde beach waves in chaotic twists for a dreamy finished look. Messy updo for thick hair. Your updos don't have to be sleek and smooth. If your thick hair wouldn't hold in a sleek bun, just roughly comb your hair to the back, lift it off your neck and wrap into a loose bun. Allow some tresses to hang around, and you'll get a chic, voluminous updo perfectly fit for any event. Quick chignon updo. A quick and easy casual updo that can work for any occasion. For those moments when you need to make a put-together look for the office or a wedding party, packing your hair into a rolled chignon is a great formal hairstyle idea. Dutch braid updo. Add a Dutch braid to an up hairstyle to create a classy bohemian updo that is so romantic and flirty. A headband braid pairs well with a low woven bun. Messy updo. Hair up styles are easy to whip up, and they don't take much time to create. Your do doesn't even have to be perfect, as updos are very forgiving. You can readily find beauty in imperfection. That's what messy updos are all about. Easy low updo. When you want a classy hairstyle but don't have much time to make a dash to the salon, think low bun updo hairstyles. Bun hairstyles, whether high or low, look amazing on everyone. Pair with cute earrings and hair accessories for a more sophisticated look. Fancy low updo. Recreate this unforgettable updo hairstyle for brides and bridesmaids. If you've got curly hair, this is an opportunity to flaunt it with dainty tendrils lazily sticking out of your updo. Imagine how drop-dead gorgeous your do would look with lovely golden brown highlights. Lacy updo for thin hair. Thin hair is not left out of the party. You can style your thin hair into any elegant updo of your choice. Arrange your hair into a cute chignon and leave loose pieces on the sides. Create a bouffant and place the chignon next to it to volumize your hair. Cute updo idea for blonde hair. We believe you must have heard of letting your hair down to show off its beauty. Now it's time to pack your hair up in a cute updo to flaunt the beauty and elegance of your blonde balayage. Piling your tresses up exposes your slender neck, giving you classy, sultry vibes. Friends, thank you for watching the video to the end. The best gratitude from you is to subscribe to our channel, like and press the bell. Thank you. See you soon.